So this is a little extra for those of you who have either taken part in our crowdfunder so far or are considering giving us a little bit of money as part of our crowdfunder. If you haven't seen it and you don't know what I'm talking about, then please check out the link below. We are trying to raise some funds here at Beautiful Things to improve our new studio space, make it somewhere that you can come and utilise and enjoy, and also allow us to be able to film much better quality tutorials and content for our YouTube channel, as well as our online courses and sewing clubs. So if you've already helped us out by clicking on the crowdfunder and choosing a reward, thank you very much. If you haven't as yet, then like I say, please go and check it out and you too can help us. Now, as an extra special reward for everybody who actually processes a reward payment through crowdfunder, if we are successful in hitting our targets, you will all receive access to our new online course. It's a really simple little project to make one of these really cute little snap wallets. They have a fantastic little snap mechanism inside them that springs and closes, and it's a really lovely little pouch for you to put your bits and pieces in, with little handles that you can pull on to open it. Now you can make these in all sorts of sizes. You can make them as clutch bags, you can make them as makeup purses. They really are simple, and we will be giving you free access to this course no matter what reward you choose from us. So the lowest one is £5, the highest one is £90. Fill your boots, go check it out down below, and if we reach our target, we will send you access to this course as soon as it is ready for you.